in the back. Running like nice, I'm in love with that cat. Who my bitch, she a bad, she got attitude. When she mad, I'ma eat it like fast food. She a boss, cause she in the bag too. Eat up the dick like cashew. See, fine.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, as you guys can tell, today I will be getting my first ever official weave. Well, I'm really getting a wig, but y'all get the point. I'm getting a wig today, and I'm nervous. I already I already blow dried my hair. Y'all can click up there if y'all want to see like a video, but yeah, I blow dried my hair already, and I don't know. I don't really have much to say. This is gonna be different. Summer, I'm coming for you. Period. Just quit playing with him. Period.
I'm about to see it.
And straight like that, y'all. Quit playing with me. Quit. No, let me stop playing. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's been a few days. I already messed up the lace low ball. I sweated it out moving out of my dorm, but this is what it's gonna have to do for now. As y'all can see, I cannot stop touching it. Let me take this off so I can really sit y'all up. Period. Point blank, baby. I think I like it with the curls better. Maybe because I'm used to having curly hair myself, but y'all, this is me with my first ever wig weave. Any of that. Summer is gonna be a blast. Period. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below any more videos y'all want to see this summer, any more hairstyles, because baby, I don't plan to have my hair out. We trying to grow it. So let me know something in the comments down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Wanna get it, VVS on your ring, got you drippin'. And your nigga think you trippin'. 30 clip longer than my bitch extensions. Pussy wetter than Flish, she from Michigan. KFC, my OG brought the chickens in. We was serving that boy on the back streets. I can run through the pad like a track.